It's been 5 days. I've had construction men pretty much living into my bathroom, so now it's time to give it a good deep clean. We've had work done in the loft. We removed all carpets and finally put wooden flooring. And if you know one thing about dust, you know construction dust is the worst. Of course, to help me, I'm making use of flash dust magnet. And what I love about it is that it's got a trap and lock technology, which means that dust is locked away and not spread out, which if you know anything about renovation dust, that is something so needed, which means it's done and dusted and now I can just continue cleaning. When I typically clean my bathroom, it always takes me over an hour, but now I have this dust magnet. Honestly, it's so great. And what's so great about it is you can literally dispose the refills and just pop a new one in. Now that I'm finally getting rid of the dust, I'm just hoping that we don't have another renovation to do, maybe until next year. I did tell you that renovation dust is no joke. Just look at all that dust, but I'm so happy just to know it's no longer being spread. Seeing all that dust though has made me so excited to go to the loft and give it such a good deep clean, because the dust there is insane. I just know once I get to the loft and start deep cleaning, my dad most definitely is going to say that he's going to start renovating somewhere else. But honestly, at this point, if I can just see the dust go away, I'm happy.